In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group data in a Smartsheet report. Report Grouping 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. This is where all your work lives, including your reports. If you're already signed in, you'll jump right in. If not, sign into your Smartsheet account. Enter your credentials or use your organization's sign-in option, and you'll be taken straight to your home page. Once you're on home, take a moment to notice the navigation on the left. From here, click All Workspaces. This view helps you quickly find the folders and reports your team uses. If you don't immediately see all workspaces, expand the Browse or Workspaces section on the left until it appears. Next, select the workspace that contains the report you want to work with, along with the source sheets that feed that report. Open the right workspace and make sure you're in the report where you want grouping applied. It's important that the report is tied to the correct sheets, so your grouping reflects the data you expect to see. If your organization maintains multiple similar workspaces, double-check the workspace name and the report title before proceeding. Now, let's group the data. In the report toolbar, click the Group option. This opens the grouping settings. Choose the field you want to group by, for example, status, assigned to, department, or any other column that makes sense for your workflow. Pick the sort order. Ascending is great for A to Z or earliest to latest, while descending flips that order. If you're grouping by a dropdown like status, ascending typically stacks stages in a neat progression. If you're grouping by dates or numbers, choose the order that matches how you review work, such as most urgent first. When you're happy with the field and order, click OK to apply the grouping. Your report will instantly reorganize into collapsible sections based on the field you selected. Each group acts like a container for related rows, making it easier to scan, compare, and focus on what matters. You can expand or collapse groups to quickly navigate large reports, and totals or counts may appear at the group level depending on your report configuration, which can make high-level reporting simpler. A few quick tips as you review the result. If the group option is grayed out or missing, make sure you're in a report, not a regular sheet, and confirm you have the right permissions. Also, grouping works best when the column you choose is consistently filled out across your source sheets. That's it. Your Smartsheet report is now grouped for faster, clearer insight into your data.